Students, I am talking about the slides layout, which you take from the Home tab, New Slide option. And here we have taken three types of layout. First is blank, second is title or subtitle, and third one is comparison. Now, according to your chapter, we will use animations and transitions in these slides. Okay, what is animations? Animations tab, you will see different type of animation. Now the question is, what is animation? Animations are the special visual effects that can be added to the different object in a slide. Animated objects make the presentation more attractive for the audience, because our slideshow will present in front of audience. So we will try to make it more attractive with the help of animations and transitions. We apply animation on the objects of slide. डिफरेंस देखिए, स्लाइड की जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, फॉन्ट, टेक्स्ट जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं, पिक्चर्स जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं, these are the part of these slides, and we can apply animation of it. First of all, we will select that part, then we choose these animations like appear, fade, fly in, float in, split, wipe, shape, etc. If I select fade, you will see the preview. This is the preview of this one. Fly in, this is the preview. Split, this is the preview. If I apply all these on the text, first of all select the text, then apply wheel, it will come as like a wheel. Okay, now I can say you that animation is applied on the object. If I am taking this these two pictures, first I choose the random bars like this, and second I choose the wipe like this. Okay, now you will see the number. If I apply single animation on one images or object, it will show 1, then 2. It means we can apply number of animations on single picture. Okay, second thing is transition. Transitions is applied on the slide. Animation is applied on the objects of slide, and transitions is applied on the slide. Slide transitions are the animations like effect that occur in a slideshow view when you move from one slide to next. जब आप एक स्लाइड से दूसरी स्लाइड पर मूव करते हैं तो ये एनिमेशंस शो होता है. I will take first slide 1, then apply. Okay, then I will take slide 2 and apply split. I will take slide 3 and apply random bars. On third slide I will take random bars like this. Okay, or shapes like this. From this option where you will see